Okay, Japanese temple bells, plural. I don't do plurals here, do they? Bronze Buddhists, it says. Okay, whoa, I tell you, I took some of the pictures I was taking with this one, and that one there, I just keep, look at all this sweat. I've just turned that big fan off for a bit, and because I was sweating on this, it looked like a mark, and I'm trying to mark off, wipe off my sweat, and I just keep trying to wipe off the sweat, and I keep dripping on it. Oh my, it's warm in here. Yeah, alright, I'll get all those windowy things, and I might actually jump on the scoot real soon. Get this done, jump on the scoot, and head out on the highway. Alright, so we have this beautiful piece here. So separate listing, separate listing, separate listing. We'll get there. Alright, so this particular one here, slightly smaller than the other one that I've got. That other one there, July 16th, I'm calling that one. So this one here, I'm calling July 22nd. Put B1 there, but there I've got different designations for those. I don't have a striker for this one. No cracks, no cracks, no cracks, no cracks. And it's got some beautiful patina going on with it. It's very old, but in wonderful condition. And I'll just borrow this striker momentarily. Yeah, it's an absolute beauty. You've got a lot of age in it. It's overall diameter. I always go by the widest point because they've got different. Some come to a smaller rim diameter. Some like that is pretty much straight. That's slightly small. You know, they're all sort of different configurations. So at the widest point diameter wise, this one here is 282 millimeters. I've got my level and stuff up there. And tall, 192 mil. So good size, and there's a lot of aging in this piece. Doesn't have any script to it, so it doesn't tell us. This one does, of age-wise. That one has got a trademark. It's beautiful. Right, so we'll try this one. Slightly too light, but absolutely fantastic. Yeah. I'm gonna drip on it again. I do have dripping on. Sweating like a crazy man. Yo. Absolutely beautiful. And you can just use that. But something with some wood and some cushioning. Alright, I've got something over here. Wooden cushioning. I'm utilising this for other things, right? Nice. Different weight to that, so. Nice. So the more cushioning, the more you get a different sort of deeper sound, really. Absolutely beautiful. And the reverberation goes for a very long time. Okay, there we go. Now, this one here, very tall bell, very sizable too, 337 mil in diameter. This striker was its original. There's a lot of wear here. I haven't seen that much wear on just one point and nothing on the other. Generally you would strike with this spot here. So that's how they've been striking that a very long time too. Imagine how much time you would have just slightly doing that, and then maybe I had the camera too close, but and all that time creating that wear. Yeah, there's some age to this, that's for certain. We're looking at 337 millimeters in diameter, and a very long song for this one too. And 255 mil tall, so it's quite the anomaly height-wise to diameter-wise. Yeah, it's quite tall. Beautiful piece. Look at all this bronzing here. That's the patina of the bronzing right there. Now this one here has got trademark information, and I asked one of my buds to tell me what that means, and it says, where's that trademark? Yeah, still got splotches of my sweat. There we go. Yeah, it's quite pronounced. I'm sweating so much. I'm kind of tired. I want to get out and I want to get that fan back on. Alright, now what this kanji says, it's got a design here. Kanji. Now, can't quite see it so well. There we go. What it says here is on the right, the left-hand side here, we have Ganso, meaning original. Tatsune, and here Teiuchi. Tatsune would be the people's name, I think, the company name. And that means Teiuchi, meaning handmade. So let's have a look at that then. Ganso. Right. Symbol down below, that's the trademark symbol. And this middle two kanjis here. Tatsune will be the name of the company. And I believe. Teiuchi. Tei, that's the symbol for hand. Up there, handmade. So that's we're going to meaning original. So that's brilliant. So I'm planning on utilizing the air freighter. So if you go through Etsy, I'll need your phone number on the invoice, and eBay's already got that information there. So I'll need a phone number. And yeah, I plan on air freighting this. And so this striker, it's large enough. The bell's large enough. I can bubble wrap this striker and place in there, and or I might put it on the side. Depends on how it goes with weights and measures. I've been doing the weights and measures, so I believe that the best method would be for the air freighter. And this song carries and carries and carries, and I'm sweating and sweating. Look at all these sweat splotches. I ain't kidding you. Look at this. Alright. Beauty. Now. Wow. Nice. Okay. Now, this beautiful piece here, we are calling the 1846 bell. Rare as can be. This is late Edo period, and to my understanding that this was indicative of the Meiji period, but no, late Edo. I have seen others of recent times. See, as I say, I was trying to wipe my sweat. See, it's not a stain, it's just my sweat. And there's some there. And more here now. It's in just magnificent condition. And it tells us it was made in Kyoka Sannen, so the third year of the Kyoka period, and that's the late Edo period, which equates to 1846. It was made in July, Shichigatsu Junichi, so it was made in on the 22nd of July in 1846. Now, this is I would say, well, this striker came with it, but I would say that this particular striker is actually a whole lot older than this bell. I would say this was an original from that temple, from an earlier bell, judging from my experience. So I would say that's early Edo, this piece itself. How's that? Now it's going. Yeah, this has got some beautiful differentiations of its sound wave. This is quite solid now, as you can see. It's quite hardened. So with something with more cushioning, good cushioning and light. I want to keep this originally with that. I want to keep that originally with that. So with more cushioning, you get a better sound, and I like the fact that this came with it. So this has been utilized for centuries. So it gives quite a hard strike, really. As you can see, it's worn so much. So that's better. Yeah, that's the way. Nice. That's all you need. Just a very nice light tap with it. It's got that wave lip design. So beautiful kanji all the way around here. Which tells us, it says Shuishu Takayama Mura. Now, Mura meaning village. Shinshu Takayama, let's see, Shinshu. I read that wrong. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. It's got a lot of kanji on it. It's got Shiyashu Takayama and Shinshu Takayama. So I believe that yeah, I think I read that wrong. It must be Shinshu. Shinshu Takayama Village, which is currently it's currently in Shinshu is currently now Nagano Prefecture, and the Buddhist temple itself is Seikyo-ji, ji meaning temple. Seikyo-ji in Shinshu Takayama Mura village, that's right. And the owner, it says the present owner, so I believe that means, because it's lost in translation here, it's Otokichi. That would be the head monk at the time in 1846, the head monk of the temple. This is all nice wet again. This here, either it was sitting against a wall or something, and over the centuries, over the course of time, this is just sort of rubbed back and forth, and it's created this slight mark here, or it had some kind of tape on it, like for a price tag or something, at an auction house or something. Who knows? I mean, who knows where it's been prior to coming into my hands. Who knows? From what I believe, this was from a temple that was being refurbished. A lot of stuff came from the same location, but so that's why I'm sort of questioning this. Did it have a tag on it? Did it have tape on it? Did it have, I mean, was that placed there at some time when to move it or package it or something, or box it up? I don't know. No idea. No idea. Would that wear away again in time? But it looks like it's sort of just been slightly rubbing, you know. Just as it's been struck and it's been sitting against something. I don't think it's like from this or anything, but just I don't know. Anyway, you want to slice it, this is wow stuff. Beautiful condition. Beautiful. You know, I guess maybe from a far earlier refurbishment, maybe it was stored or something like that and placed in something, and because it kind of looks like a tape mark. It was sort of putting some tape on a bronze and tearing it off, and then you get the cleaning up the bronze or something. I don't know. I'm just rambling because I'm war. Oh, look at all this sweat. I'm serious. I'm struggling here. All right. Anyway, you want to slice it? Okay. So Seikyo-ji. That's the temple That's the temple name. So we believe that this town, the village, is, well, maybe it was incorporated into Nagano as they created Nagano. I don't know when they created Nagano. I don't know. He wrote current Nagano prefecture. So I've seen it before where some prefectures have been renamed or they've amalgamated and things like that at some stages, like through the Meiji Restoration and things like that. Don't know, but what we do know is it's awesome. Now, the plan is air freighting this one, and what I can do is place this cushion inside of there. This striker easily goes inside that tool, and so I can configure a way to pack it up. Hopefully, Marcel will keep me in shoes. Yeah, hopefully you're watching, mate. Okay. I need to pay the rent. I think Marcel might have a few more dimes laying around that I've got. That's okay. Hopefully he's happy. I'm happy. So that's good. Now, I'm going to turn that fan on. Oh, look at all this sweat, mate. See? See what I do for my customers? Yeah. Oh, that's... They don't come around every day. Oh, let's get this fan on.